The Midea WHS-109FW1 Upright Freezer. Firstly, the Midea WHS-109FW1 is ENERGY STAR certified, so the addition of a freezer to your home doesn't have to be the beginning of outrageous energy bills. After all, the point of a freezer is usually to save money and hassle on frequent trips to the store. Because its design is tall and narrow, this freezer is easily inserted into most garage spaces with no problem, leaving you plenty of room to gain access and get around. The two fixed shelves and wire drawer make organization a breeze, and the 1-year warranty offers some peace of mind. Impressively, the Midea WHS-109FW1 holds up to 105 pounds of food. This makes it great for hunters, people who like to buy in bulk, or folks who have large families. Also, the door seals very tight, ensuring that your food stays fresh and frozen. Overall, the Midea WHS-109FW1 is the highest quality upright freezer overall for garage spaces. Lastly, you can remove the shelves and the drawer, so there's a lot of options for arranging and organizing all of your frozen goods, regardless of size or shape. Now for some pros. It has a mechanical temperature adjustment, a reversible door. It comes with 2 shelves and a removable drawer, and holds up to 105 pounds of food. Now for a couple of cons. The door is somewhat difficult to open, and the thermostat's on the back of the unit.